In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove stocks from your eToro watch list. If your watch list is starting to feel cluttered, removing stocks you no longer want to track is a simple way to keep things organized and make it easier to focus on the assets that matter most to you. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along step by step inside your eToro account. To begin, sign in to eToro. Go to the platform and log into your account using your usual credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. If your screen looks slightly different depending on whether you're using a desktop browser or another device, don't worry. The overall process is still very similar. Next, open your watch list. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the menu and click on Watchlist. This section shows all the stocks and other assets you've saved so you can monitor them in one place. Opening the watch list is important because this is where you'll manage and remove the stock you no longer want to keep there. Now, locate the stock you want to remove. Take a moment to scroll through the list and find the exact stock you want to delete from your watch list. If you have a long list, it helps to go slowly and make sure you're selecting the correct one before making any changes. Once you've found the stock, open the Options menu next to it. Look for the three-dot icon beside that stock and click it. This menu contains additional actions related to that item, including the option to remove it from your watch list. From that menu, click Remove. As soon as you select it, eToro should update your watch list and take that stock out of the saved list. This action is usually quick, so you should see the change almost immediately. Finally, verify that the stock has been removed. Check your watch list again and confirm that the stock no longer appears there. This quick final check helps ensure the removal was successful and that your watch list is now updated the way you want it. That's all there is to it. Removing stocks from your eToro watch list is a fast and easy way to keep your dashboard clean and relevant, especially if you regularly review different assets over time. Thanks for watching.